Welcome to AI Money University. Today, we will be learning how to create AI influencer. In this course, I'll teach you how to create your own consistent AI influencer and make thousands of dollars online. So basically, we will be creating up a character and we will be generating different set of images wherein the character will remain all same. For example, I created a consistent character and you can see all these images are generated for the same character using AI. So you can see how we can generate all the lifestyle images of that particular character which we have created. So let's dive in directly into it. So first, we will need two tools to start it. First of all, we will need ChatGPT to provide us with the prompt, and we will need design to create our consistent character. So first of all, let's go to consistent character. You need to click on it in the design. I'll paste in the link in description. Then you need to hit build your character. Then click on training mode and then start with description. We are not going to use any images. We'll be using the description. And for the model, we will be using design realistic v2. And then we can give a name here, for example, AI influencer, whatever name you wish to have. And over here we will be describing our character, and the description we will be getting from ChatGPT. So in ChatGPT, let's start. I am creating an AI influencer for my Instagram page. I want you to give me prompts to create a character I will be using for my page, and the character should be, say, 24 years old, female, Indian, and then you can go as much descriptive as you wish to, like with how you want her body and face and clothing, etc. to be. So for example, I'll say I'm not good at giving exact details. Analyze top fashion influencers and provide me with description for prompt. Now let's see what ChatGPT has to say. So I am using ChatGPT v5. So it's a paid model which you can easily grab. Now ChatGPT is creating influencer persona prompts. Let's see. Okay, so here is the details. So it has given us name ideas. You can say Ashi Kapoor, Meera Sen, I mean whatever you wish to call. Okay, then age 24, ethnicity Indian, then face, since we said like we don't know how it should be, but it should be relevant to the top fashion influencers who are already there on Instagram. So it has given all the details, and it has even given the bio copy as well, and then voice, tone, everything. So once it's done, we will write up a new prompt. So it is giving you content pillars as well, so you don't need to worry about what kind of content you should generate. For example, for outfit formula, street, office, date, Indian fusion fits, their sari, lehenga with sneakers, denim with dupatta, beauty mini routines and everything like that. And now here we get universal prompt. We can use in any generator. We will be using design in this case. So for example, we will be using the visual prompt only since we will need the description. So let it generate all the prompts. So once we have the prompts, we will paste it up directly over there. So this one is editorial headshot. So this is just for the profile and DP. If you want the full body street style, here is the reel cover. Then here is the Indian fusion lookbook carousel. So what we will be doing is that we will ask ChatGPT to give us a combo of all. Okay, awesome. So it has given us a master prompt which we will use for the main character generation. So simply copy this and go to design, and in the description simply paste it and let's generate. Okay, so characters are generated over here. If you want to regenerate, you can simply hit regenerate and it will come up. So basically I'll be using this second model and I'll hit start training. So what design will start doing is that it will start training the model based on the photo I have selected over here, and it's saying estimated time is like 40 minutes. So once the model is trained, I'll be back and then I'll be showing you how to generate different set of images for the influencer, and you can set up your page or use anywhere you wish to. So finally our AI influencer character has been generated. Now we can write in prompt directly over here. So first we'll go to ChatGPT and we'll ask, I have generated my consistent character. Now I want you to prepare a content calendar for next 7 days and write prompts to generate images for next 7 days as a fashion influencer. Let's see what ChatGPT has to say. Okay, so ChatGPT is saying like it will divide. First one will be in street chic intro, so casual chic walking shot, okay, and then workwear formula office chic outfit, then day 3 beauty routine, then fusion fashion, then athleisure coffee run. So basically what we'll do is that we'll simply copy in the prompts given up over here. For example, for the day 1, let's copy it up. Simply just copy it, go back to design and paste in over here, and simply select the size from here, whichever size you want to. If you want to post it on Instagram, simply hit over here and then select HQ and then just generate. Now while it's generating, we can do subsequent generations as well. So simply we will just come in again over here and then paste the next one. Same settings. If it remains for the same platform, and then next. Now for the day 3, simply copy, paste over here and generate. So accordingly you can simply copy and paste for the further upcoming days, and the design will generate images. So So this is the basic 2 images wherein we selected this second option to be trained as our model. So we trained it. Now we have given prompt to generate consistent images for the same model. Now for example, it's done for the 7 days. Now I will be posting photos only as of now. So write prompts for next 30 days. So you will get the prompt for next 30 days, and simply you just need to copy and paste it over here into the design, and then you will have it. Okay, now you see this. For example, if you don't like it, you can simply generate the variation of it as well. For example, if I want second one, I think it looks good. But if you want to do any changes, for example, you want to generate a different set of it, you can simply just click over here. And if you want to edit something, you can just do AI editor, chat editor, something like that over here. Now you see how beautiful it is. You see the character is consistent, but the images are as of the occasion, the prompt which we have put in over here. So now one thing to remember, whenever you are going to download it, simply select PNG and then hit 4x and then upscale it and then download it. before using it, so that the quality is not degraded or low quality image it is. For example, I'll do 4x of it, and now say I want a different version of this particular image. Simply need to hit 2 over here, and the variation of this particular image will start getting generated. So those two images which we just downloaded is being upscaled, and the variation is now being generated over here. Okay, so this is how you can generate the consistent images, and you can build your consistent character over here, and it will be a whole crazy. I mean, no one can tell it's generated from AI, and you see the level of consistency, how the images are being generated. It's at the next level. So stay tuned till our next tutorial. See you then. Bye bye.